Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're working on our rubber band car assembly. Actually, not the assembly, we're working on building our parts for our rubber band car. And you can see today I'm going to show you how to make these slits in the wheels to make these spokes so that when you make your assembly and make it animated, you can see the movement. If we do away with these, you won't be able to see that and your wheels won't look as cool. We're going to head on over to our part studio where we've been making all of our parts for the model. In our last demo, we made the wheel. We had drawn this shape and we had revolved it around the axis. So do our roll back here. You see we have a profile. This revolved around this axis. So go ahead and pull that back. See, there's our profile. Revolved around the axis, make that sketch visible so you can see the shape. So there's the shape that makes the profile for the wheel. Gets revolved around the central axis, giving us the wheel revolution. So we're going to go ahead and add these spokes so that you can cut it out. Create a sketch on the front plane, not on the front plane, but on the front face of this object. So see I'll delete my location for the moment so you can see how I got that. So it's a new sketch, named spoke. We named it spokes by clicking on the pencil icon and then renaming it to spokes. I'm going to come in here and click on this interface, and then we'll draw the spoke shape. Based on our drawing, I'm going to just do a secondary one over here to the side so you can see, so I don't have to delete this, so you can see what's going on in real time. But the shape here is a circle, another circle, two lines that are tangent and coincident with the circles, and we trimmed away the excess. I'll take my center point circle tool, work above the center of my wheel, click and release, and draw the first circle, and then work above the center again, and draw the second circle, slightly smaller than the first. And then we'll add the dimensions as shown. So we're going to, actually, we'll hold off on the dimensions, take that back. Scratch that. We're not going to draw the dimensions yet. We're going to draw the lines to connect these. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I'm touching both circles, and I don't want vertical lines. Okay, tangent is great. I'll take that. What I don't want is vertical. So we go touching that, and then come down here, and we'll touching and tangent. So making sure that's touching, like it, looking good. All right. Now we're going to trim away the extra material. Shortcut key for that is M. And now I want to make sure that these touch and form nice pretty tangencies. So go to our drop down menu for constraints or choose the letter T, take our tangent constraint, and then touch the pair of entities we'd like to be tangent. So I want the upper arc to be tangent to both lines, and we want the lower arc to be tangent to both lines. At this point now, whenever it moves, we can see that we have a smooth transition, and it's a matter of adding our dimensions as shown. So dimensions will be, not that tool, dimension, radius of 15/100ths, a radius of 1063. And then we have a distance from the, let's see, this one is measuring from the center point of the big circle of the wheel to the center point of the upper circle at 3/4 of an inch. So center point of the upper circle, center point of the wheel, 75, and then center point of the lower circle to the center point of the wheel, 0.25. And that is what you get. Now I've drawn this on the side just to show you how that worked out. So the next step we're going to do is add the circular pattern so that we have a repeating number of 6 of those. So you can see here there's a number 6x, and that's telling me that I have 6 times this pattern. Up on your tool ribbon you'll find the pattern tool to the right. You see linear pattern, and then circular pattern and transform. We're going to take circular pattern and identify the items we would like to pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 items. Your pattern should probably automatically appear on the center. If it doesn't, just grab this square in the middle and drag it to the center of your object. And then you'll see a 3x most likely, or whatever, if you have done this before, whatever pattern number showed up before, change that to however many you want. I want 6. And all I need to do is click in white space to save that. And there it is. That's how we save the spokes, or draw the spokes, save the spokes, and now to make them into a feature, so it's a hole in there, we're going to use the extrude button. So get the extrude tool, it'll pop up, it will identify the space that we would like to extrude. It's going to be a solid. It's going to remove. I choose the face of spokes. So what I did is I selected the face right there, and then remove depth, any depth of work. I'm just going to click through all and green check. So there you have at it. Set of spokes. Clean and easy. All right, good luck. Have fun. As always, keep being awesome.